Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Blessed Applesauce here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I am in a hotel, as y'all can see, because I am in New York City. So I'm excited. So today, what I want to do, which would be really cool, is to trade as soon as the bell opens at the New York Stock Exchange, like right there, right in front. So as I'm sipping my coffee at like a local Starbucks nearby, just, enjoy the weather and just ding, 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 and be trading right on the side. I feel like that would be like a perfect vibe and, just something cool to check off the bucket list. But anyway, aside from my New York trip, today I want to talk to y'all about options, as y'all can see from the title, and why you should not be trading options if you're a beginner. I know a lot of people are getting into options. They're really excited, like, oh, I can make $5,000 in a week trading options. I could turn a $500 account into a $10,000 account. And I want to explain to y'all why this is not a good idea. A couple of reasons why beginners should not be trading options. One is because it's so much leverage involved. The leverage that you're using to trade an option is going to be 100 lot sizes of one share. If you can't consistently trade one share, what makes you think you can trade 100 lot sizes of that same amount of money? It makes it a lot more difficult, and it brings a lot of people to have emotional issues when they're trading. So let's say you take a $500 account and a 1% move is now 10%, and it creates dramatic swings in your account, and it just makes people very uncomfortable. That's one reason why I don't think beginners should be trading options, just because of the level of difficulty and the leverage that is involved. Second off, on top of that, the reason why you should not be trading options, I'm gonna get comfortable, I'm chilling, I'm relaxed right now. The second reason why you should not be trading options is because you don't understand the chart pattern enough. When you're trading stocks, you could take one share, you could take a handful of shares, and you'll only lose a little bit, and you'll understand the chart patterns a lot better. With options, it's like calculus versus algebra. You gotta start to learn the charts first. You gotta understand how charts flow, how buyers and sellers come in, without learning all the extra stuff that comes with it. Because when you're trading options, you don't have to just worry about the buyers and sellers that are coming in and the money fluctuating. You have to figure out how interest rates are working. You have to figure out the time horizon on your option, because every option contract expires. So let's say you buy an option contract that expires on Friday. You need to plan your trade so it gets done before Friday, preferably not Thursday. You want to get this thing done as quickly as possible, because the longer your trade takes, the less money you're going to make at the end of the day. So those are the main reasons why I don't think you should be trading options, just off the top of my head. And last but not least, the reason why you shouldn't be trading options, it blows your account up. If you don't know what you're doing off rip, it's going to be a lot of psychological damage done to you if you don't trade. If you have an account, let's say you have a $1,000 account and you blow it up in like the first week or first month, you're going to be stressed out. You're going to be like, oh yeah, trading's not for me. I can't do this. Like, what's going on here? And options gives you that opportunity to blow accounts up really, really fast. Because I'm going to explain something to you. The first time I traded an option contract, I didn't know what the volatility was on an option contract. And that's something you have to learn. When the volatility drops on a contract, the price of your contract goes down. So even if you pick the right direction, let's say you bought a call, which means that you're betting that the price of the stock is going to go up. You buy a call and it goes up. But if the buyers slow down, you can still lose money on the contract, which is really messed up in my opinion. But you need to learn these things. So what I recommend for beginners, just stick to stocks, or if you want to trade Forex or something, stick to Forex, or even the crypto. Don't do crypto. I don't like crypto. Don't do crypto. But stick to something simple. Start small, learn the basics, and you can learn to trade options by trading stocks. It's the same exact thing. It's just leverage. It's like learning calculus. That's all it is. So if you get your algebra down, which is just trading stocks, you're going to be just fine when you go on to the next hurdle, that next step. So that's what I recommend for you guys. Just a quick video breaking down why I don't recommend y'all trading options first. But I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit because I'm trying to enjoy the city. I'm here for the next couple of days, so Yeah, I might do another video while I'm here. Maybe I'll do like a trading in New York City as the stock market opens or something like that. We gonna see. But that's gonna wrap it up for y'all. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed, and I'm gonna see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga.